Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk you through the 10 cheapest keto foods, and I've written a blog post down below which lists out the 10 foods and gives you recipes and ideas that would make super easy meals mixing and matching these ingredients. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. Let me know when you are wanting to have a cheap meal, what is your go-to cheap keto meal. So these are the foods. You'll notice there's more than 10. Some I've kind of grouped together, but you can totally just survive on 10 ingredients, and I will go through them. We'll start up the top here with some veggies. I've got spinach. This whole bag of spinach was 89 cents at Tesco, and it's great to make salads, to fry up and make creamed spinach. It's great. I'll try and get a serve of veggie every meal, and I mix and match these. And broccoli at the moment, this whole head, it's bigger than my hand, massive head of broccoli. It was 49 cents as well, huge head of broccoli. And with broccoli I might make a broccoli salad, broccoli casserole, fry some up and have some for breakfast with fried eggs. So many ways to have broccoli. And Savoy cabbage, also 49 cents. I just grabbed all the 49-cent specials at the moment. Cabbage, you can have cabbage soup, you can make egg roll in a bowl. There's loads of keto friendly ways to have cabbage. And mushrooms, probably my favorite veggie. I love mushrooms. I'll make mushroom stroganoff. I might just fry them up with butter or coconut oil and some salt and have with fried eggs. Maybe have cauliflower rice risotto. So many ways to have mushrooms, but those are, if you're just going to go for a couple of veggies, those 4 veggies I find mix and match, and you can have so many ways to enjoy them. And for fruit, berries can be quite expensive, so I get frozen berries. This whole bag is €1.50 here for this huge bag of summer fruits. And what I tend to do is actually make chia jam, because then it just lasts ages in the fridge, and I've shared a recipe for that ages ago. And tuna sardines. My husband likes sardines. I prefer tuna. I might make a tuna salad with a bit of sour cream and spinach. You could heat some tuna up with some broccoli and make a casserole, or just fry it up and make a cheesy dish. There's just loads of ways to have tuna. It's just a go-to to always keep in the pantry, so you've always got a meal that you can have that's high protein, it's low carb, and just so good. And now kind of dairy I counted as one food group, but I've got butter, sour cream, cheese. If I've got all of those to hand, I always do. There's so many meals you can mix and match and make them, and they're all really budget friendly ingredients. I kind of pick the budget friendly cheese when I go and can grate it, or really just have it anyhow. And hiding up the back over there, eggs. I probably have eggs most days for breakfast, so I always keep eggs. They are so budget friendly. You could really have eggs anyway for breakfast, lunch, dinner, anyhow you like. Hard-boiled eggs on the weekend, keep them in your fridge all week long for snacks. Just so many options. And the other protein options here, beef mince, €3 for this beef mince. I kind of look, and you can get cheaper one, but I kind of go for the middle of the range one. I quite like the look of this one. I picked this one, it was €3, and I might make egg roll in a bowl, bunless burgers. There's just loads of recipes. Not a lasagna like that, but you could definitely layer up maybe some zucchini and make some sort of a lasagna with beef mince. And finally, I've got a whole chicken over here. You can either roast it and then you have leftovers for days, or I might make chicken soup. It started getting a bit cool, so I've been making chicken stock, chicken soup, and this just lasts ages. I'll boil it all up, and then I've got all the chicken to last for days for meals, and just so good and budget friendly too. That is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too, and check down below for the link to the blog post which has all the recipes and everything that I've mentioned in this video. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!